Uh, Hello, this is Chef Hadley from Shully's Cuisine and Events, and I'm not cooking today, which is really great for me. I am showing you guys one of our specials that's coming up this week. So this is going to be running from August 12th to the 16th, and I want to show you how to plate it up and put it together so it's nice and easy in your own home. So that's the whole sole purpose of our Zero Contact Catering, is to bring you guys nice gourmet restaurant quality food in your own home so you guys have a nice, easy, tasty, delicious meal. Because if you guys are anything like me, at the end of the day, you don't want to cook and you don't want to do anything at all. So that's why I'm really excited, because I get myself a nice tasty dinner tonight, catered by Shully's Cuisine and Events. So I know it's going to be good. So with all of that, I've got my little baggies here. So when you guys order from us, everything kind of comes labeled with directions and everything, so you don't have to worry about it. It's a no-brainer. And we basically give you step-by-step on the labels themselves, on the containers. So it's just kind of, you follow those directions or you follow this beautiful video of myself, and then you get to do it perfectly. So right now I have my the special this week. Okay, let's just break it down. So the special this week is a really tasty herb crusted lamb loin that has been seared off, already pre-cooked. So we have that, and then it has a little bit of a beautiful demi glaze that we have to go alongside. Then we have a gorgeous creamy sweet corn polenta. This thing is decadent and delicious. And then we have ourselves, and I'll pull them out of the oven so you can just even see what they're looking like, because they're getting nice and toasty. Then we have some heirloom roasted carrots, and then here is the little lamb loin itself. So these are in the tins. I took the lids off, popped them in the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm just warming them up because they're already cooked all the way through, so you just have to heat it up. So I'm putting those in for about 8 minutes, I want to say. So with that being said, I have my little creamy polenta, and I'm going to throw this guy, mind the noise, into the microwave along with my little demi. I'm going to take the lid off of this. So I'm going to pop these in the microwave at the same time for 1 minute and I think 30 seconds. So I'll pop those in there, warm them up. I'll take my demi out because that'll be done because it's so tiny. And then I'm going to give a little stir to my polenta and probably put it in there for another minute and a half as well. So that's what I'm going to do. So with that, we're going to put these guys off to the side. And then we have our salad and dessert in this little baggie. So the salad is such a great complement to the lamb. Of course, who doesn't love lamb with a little bit of mint and peas? So the salad is kind of a little take on that. So what you're going to be getting for the salad is this little pint container. And it is full of fresh watercress, ribbons of cucumbers, and then we have ourselves a little bit of a mint and pistachio crumble that goes on top. A tarragon vinaigrette that is so delicious. It's nice and creamy. And some peas. So I'll show you guys how to plate those up. I'll get out my handy dandy little plateroo. So we'll go with this guy. And honestly, since we're in my own house and it doesn't really matter exactly how I plate this up, I'm going to use my hands to kind of get this out of here. So I plate that up. Look at that, already gorgeously ribboned for me, so I don't have to do jack. And then what I'm going to do is take my little peas that have already been cooked off, kind of put those on the side and around, all over the dang place. It's up to you. It's your own adventure. Why not? I like to put the vinaigrette on first and then finish with my little crumble of garnish, just because you kind of want to see that color and you don't want to cover it up with all your saucy sauce. My microwave is ready. So we're just going to drizzle this bad boy over the top and then finish with my little crumble. I like to go on a nice little diagonal to give a little juxtaposition of kind of skew. I don't freaking know what I'm saying. It's trying to sound fancy, but honestly, at the end of the day, you're going to eat it and it's going to look good because, I mean, come on, look at this. And that's your salad. So this is how your salad would look if you plated it up yourself. So easy. So I'm gonna give little wavy waves. Oh, we're going a little rogue here. Hello, hello, thank you for joining, much appreciated. Oh, we flipped back. Oh, that's my scenery out my window, isn't it gorgeous? And we're gonna go back to me because you came here to see me, let's be real. So, okay, with that, my microwave beeped. I'm going to take my demi out. I'm gonna give a little zhuzh to my polenta. Take my fork, give it a little stir. Oh, that smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. Okay, pop it back in, another minute and a half. Oh, crap. So there is my salad. So I'm gonna get this stuff out of here. These containers are so great. I love these containers. Save all of these if you order from us. They are totally reusable, so handy. I have like a whole cupboard full of all these from my years of working at Shully's, and I don't even own any type of other containers as far as to-goes or whatever. I just use these guys. This is the best. They're washable, dishwasher safe. It's awesome. So for your dessert, easiest thing in the whole entire world. It is just a little pecan tarts. And that's essentially it. So, plating it up, I mean, you throw it in a little bowly bowl. Look at that. Oh, little cuties. Look at these guys. Come on. Let me just take a little snibble. No? Mm-hmm. No? Mm. Oh. All right. So, with all that, my polenta is coming up, and we're ready. So, hot and steamy. Okay, so I'm gonna move my salad off to the side. Pull it out of my plate. And for this, I'll use my spoon. And I'll take them right on out. Dollop them on. I like to create a little crevasse for my meat area to go to. That sounded really weird, I'm sorry. We're gonna pull these guys out of the oven. Put my carrots down. Always about the angles, everybody. And then my little lamb loin right over the top of that. Oh, that smells so good. Demi to go straight over the top of this. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. And then finish with your little, there's a little bit of kind of crumbled. We did a little fried fennel, so it's like a little crispy fennel to go over the top as a nice fun little garnish. And there you have it, folks. That is your dinner in like, what was that, 5 minutes? I don't even know. So simple, so easy, extremely tasty. Look at this beauty. Oh, honey, yes. So this is what I get to eat for dinner tonight. And trust me, I'm gonna eat all of this because this is so freaking good. So that's how you plate this all this stuff up. So I'll just put it all together so you can see exactamundo how this is all supposed to look. And that, my friends, is how you plate up your Zero Contact Catering special for this week. We have our little salad, our spring pea, ribbons of cucumber, and pistachio salad with tarragon vinaigrette. We have ourselves our entree with the lamb loin with a little creamy polenta, some fried fennel and carrots, and then we have ourselves, which I already schnibbled out of, our pecan tartlets for dessert. So this is our special for the week. So make sure you come on over. Make sure you come on and order it. I'm very excited about this one. It's really tasty. And so some fun upcoming stuff that's happening at Shully's. Of course, Thursday and Friday, we have our beer garden. That's always happening. Live music both of those nights. So please come and check us out. Let's see. Thursday is tamale night, and Friday is, of course, the classic fish fry. And we also have ourselves a little seared walleye as well for those that are gluten-free. So we always make sure to cover all of our bases. Oh, yes. This meal is gluten-free sans the pecan tart. So those that are observing gluten-free dietary restrictions, you good. back to the fun things that we're doing at Shully's. We also have on Sunday, we're doing our Yama Yoga class again with True North, and that is led by Eric Perez. He's such a fantastic, wonderful human being. The guy is full of just light and love and loves to teach. He's an extremely knowledgeable person, so it's a lot of fun, really in depth. I think it's about like a 65 to almost, I think, 70-minute session of him doing yoga back at Shelley's on the East Lawn there. So that's Sunday morning at 9 a.m. We're not going there that early. Let's be real. Nobody wants to get up that early to do yoga. So 9 o'clock it starts, and it goes on for about 65 minutes. There's a little meditation in the beginning, slowly getting yourself ready and into it. We have some tea and coffee, some libations ready for you guys. So when you walk in, you guys can just chill out and spread out on the lawn. And then after your yoga session, we'll have ourselves a nice little brunch fare for you. So we have an avocado toast bar again, and then we also have ourselves a little coconut chia and yogurt little bowls for you as well. So nice little smorgasbord spread for you, all healthy. All the dietary restrictions are completely covered on this one. So gluten-free people, you got yourself some tasty gluten-free bread from Molly's Bakery, nice and local. So make sure to check that out. There is also a car show that is happening in our area. We always do snacks and kind of breakfasty items, bagels and muffins and coffee available for sale. That'll be based out of the front of Shelley's in the Thien Room, but there's a whole car show that's going to be going on the main street there on Green Bay Road called Fuel Fed. It's a lot of fun. You bring the kids, you get to look at a bunch of really cool, cute cars and stuff. So maybe while mommy is doing yoga, Papa can go and check out all the cars. So it's a lot of cute stuff happening in our area right now. So it's really fun to be able to kind of see all that stuff going on during this crazy time. So make sure to come and support your local businesses. That's huge for us. So come and check us out on Zero Contact Catering, and I hope that you order this wonderful special we have this week. So thank you again for joining me. I really appreciate it. And stay well and healthy, and I will talk to all of you again next week for our next special. So thank you. Bye.